And now that is our topic is to calculate the time duration, time intervals. Okay. How to calculate time duration. Okay. And I am going to write the question, that is Mala left the school at 5 p.m. and Mala left the school at 5 p.m. and reached her home 5:20 p.m. Okay, calculate how much time interval, that is how much time did she reach her home from school. Okay, that's the question. Okay, that calculate how much minutes, how many minutes, how many minutes to taken up to reach her home. Okay, do you understand the question? That is, Mala left the school at 5 p.m. and reached her home 5:20 p.m. Okay, calculate how much minutes to taken up to reach her home from school to her home. Okay, he left at 5 p.m. and he reached her home 5:20. How to calculate the time? This is so simple by calculating. Let me already we learned by drawing a clock to calculate the minutes from 7:10 to 7:30 or any time, that is we are moving the minute hands by calculating the 5 table, that is a skip counting of 5. Okay, we have learned how to calculate the minutes. In this, to calculate this time interval, that is time duration interval, we have used the same technique to calculate the time minutes. Okay, that is how to calculate, that is 5 p.m. Okay, 5 p.m. that is to next, that is 5:05. Okay, and 5:10. Okay, and 5:15 and 5:20. Okay, that is 5 o'clock to reach the time, that is 5:20 p.m. Okay, in between 5 o'clock to 5:05, that is 5 minutes. Same like the 5:05 to 5:10, in between the time interval, that is 5 minutes. And 5:10 to 5:15, that is the time interval 5 minutes. And 5:15 to 5:20, that is 5 minutes interval. So calculate that 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 intervals are there. Into each interval, it paused the 5 minutes. So that is a 4 into 5, 20 minutes. Okay, so this is the answer by the time, that is Mala reached from her school to her home. The time taken, that is the time duration taken by herself is 20 minutes. Okay, to calculate, that is 5 minutes, skip counting of 5. So in between 5 to 5:05, 5:05 to 5:10, between 5:10 to 15 and 5:15 to 5:20. Each period, that is the time interval, is 5 minutes. Okay, by moving the minute hand. Okay, and calculate that 1 into 3, 4. 4 time interval, and each time interval has, that is 5 minutes. So you have to multiply the number 4 into 5, that is 20 minutes. So the answer is 20 minutes. Okay, and let me move on to the next word problem I am showing, that is how to calculate the hours. Similarly, by calculate the hours, and that is same topic, that is time duration word problem. Okay, the question is that is the flight taken off, okay, 10:30 p.m. okay, the flight taken off 10:30 p.m. and reached, okay, 1:30 a.m. at its destination place. Okay, to calculate destination place, to calculate the time period, okay, 1:30 a.m. and its destination place, to calculate the time period, it's taken up. Okay, that is a flight taken off 10:30 p.m. and reached its destination place, okay, at 1:30 a.m. okay, so to calculate the time period it's taken up, how many hours? Okay, let me calculate by the between hours and between 12 to next hour. Okay, by writing, that is I am going to write, that is 1:30 p.m. okay, next hour, that is 2:30 p.m. sorry, starting, that is 10:30 a.m. 10:30 p.m. 10:30 p.m. okay, 11:30 p.m. and 12:30 a.m. and 1:30 a.m. okay, that is here, that is after 12, that is the anti-meridian time, early morning. Okay, so that is a.m. and 1:30, that is a 10:30 p.m. means it's a night. Okay, night time. Okay, 11:30 also night. Okay, and 12:30 is a early morning, and 1:30 also early morning. Early morning, so it represents the anti-meridian a.m. okay, by between 10:30 to 11:30, that is 1 hour. Okay, that is here between the time period 1 hour, and here also 1 hour, and that is 1 hour. Okay, that means between the time interval, that is 1 plus 1 and plus 1, that is 3 hours. Okay, answer is 3 hours. So the flight, that is the journey time from the taken off place to the destination place, the answer is 3 hours, from 10:30 p.m. to 1:30 a.m. okay, that means 11:30, 12:30 and 1:30, in between the time interval, that is 1 hour. To calculate, you have to write down this like this way. Okay, so 10:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. in between the time, that is 1 hour. Okay, and 11:30 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. that is 1 hour, and 12:30 a.m. to 1:30, that is 1 hour. And observe here, that is night time, so post meridian. Okay, and for early morning, that is you have to mention the time, that is anti meridian. Okay, and the final answer, that is 3 hours. Okay, and let me see next topic, that is conversion of unit of time.